Humidity making your basement ducts sweat? Here's how to fix that annoying moisture problem fast. So, you just noticed water droplets on your cold AC ducts in the basement, right? That's totally normal because the cold air inside the ducts cools down the metal surface below the dew point of the humid air around it, causing condensation, aka sweating. First off, grab a dehumidifier to lower the humidity in your basement. It works wonders. Make sure your basement is well ventilated so moist air doesn't just hang around. You can also insulate the ductwork with closed-cell insulation to keep the cold metal from touching humid air directly. Just remember to add insulation when the air is dry so you don't trap moisture inside it. Check for any leaks or cracks where humid air might be sneaking in and seal those up. Another neat trick is running a heat pump hot water heater, which can help reduce humidity levels too. Keeping moisture out stops mold and mildew from growing, which you definitely want to avoid. One of the biggest issues with sweaty ductwork is ignoring high basement humidity. This makes condensation worse and can ruin your walls or floors. Fix this by using a quality dehumidifier and improving airflow. Another common mistake is using the wrong insulation type. Cheap fiberglass can trap moisture and cause mildew, so go with closed-cell foam insulation instead. Lastly, not sealing leaks around doors, windows, and vents lets humid air sneak in and mess with your ducts. Use weather stripping or caulk to fix that problem. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff for home fixes like this. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get connected with homeowners needing work done on their homes.